Today we're excited to introduce the Furnulem Night Stand with charging station, a versatile piece of furniture that combines style and functionality in one sleek design. Standing at 33.3 inches tall, this rustic brown nightstand features a unique DIY design with pre-drilled holes, allowing you to install the charging station on the front, back, or not at all, giving you 3 ways to use it according to your needs. Equipped with 2 USB ports and 2 AC outlets, this nightstand makes charging your devices a breeze, whether it's your phone, iPad, or lamp. Its sturdy construction, crafted with a metal frame and particle board, ensures durability and safety, while the anti-toppling device and adjustable feet provide stability on uneven ground, making it perfect for any room in your home. The 4 fabric drawers offer ample storage space for everything from socks to makeup, and the 2-tier open shelf with a wood top is ideal for your desk lamp or books. Easy to assemble with the included tools and instructions, this nightstand is not only functional but also a great decorative addition to your bedroom, living room, or study. So, if you're looking for a stylish and practical solution to your storage needs, the Furnulem Night Stand with charging station is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.